it's worth mentioning the types of clients that I'm used to working with, and it's a wide variety. We have the enterprise clients, which are Fortune 100 companies that come to us and want an app built with specific features, and then all the way to startups that have a very MVP style approach. And we do try to use that approach with all our clients, but some, have, for varying reasons and budgets, have different needs. So obviously, the more complex the app is, the more features, the more functionality, the more intricate design, that obviously is going to increase the cost. So a lot of times we'll try to start with, what are the base use cases that you want to solve? Or what are the issues that you want to solve first, and get something out in front of the users earlier and more cheaply, so that we can get that feedback, and that can kind of drive the direction. That doesn't always work, because sometimes clients have, for good reasons, a lot of use cases that they need to solve, for security reasons, for if they have payment processing, it just is more complex. And so there's more integrations and things like that. But I think trying to start as small as possible is the best approach. And that's kind of scary for clients sometimes, because they don't want to put anything out there that may not satisfy their user base. So
you said for good reason, sometimes the apps get more feature rich or maybe more complex. Do you find that sometimes that happens for not such good reasons?
Yeah, for sure. And I think we've gotten better. Sometimes, you look at something and your design team wants to build out every component of it. And so sometimes it's our own doing. Like we need to scale it back and bring things back in and think about things in smaller chunks. And I think Agile methodology has done a lot to move that needle that way, rather than waterfall, where you design everything. We are a client service company, so we, sometimes we have to look at the broader scope and then bring it back in ourselves. Help our clients do that. They always want to know, well, what's the cost going to be of my full vision, and then you bring it back in and in and in to build something and do it in a more iterative approach.